Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, July 23rd. Seeing some partly cloudy skies out there along the coast near Wallops this morning. We are starting to see a little bit more mid-level cloudiness move into the area from the west associated with this short wave that's going to be moving through the area and this weak front that's approaching. We are going to continue to see clouds slowly increase today and then seeing chances of showers and thunderstorms late this afternoon and into later this evening. We have had a little bit of trouble pinpointing the exact timing of when we'll see some higher thunderstorm chances at Wallops, but it does look like the best chances will be around sunset and then pushing throughout this evening, as we do have our models in quite a bit of disagreement. But that does look to be the best chance, and that is what we will be forecasting and discussing today. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, not too many features that are highlighted on this map very well. We do have still high pressure dominating much of the southeast. Still going to be seeing that west-southwesterly to south-southwesterly flow, bringing in some warmer temperatures and continued moisture. We are going to continue to see some moist and unstable conditions across the area as we get some shortwave energy ahead of this front up here. That's going to be pushing across the area this evening, giving us those chances of showers and thunderstorms. And then we'll see some little bit higher chances of showers and storms tomorrow as that front starts to really approach the region, giving some good lift to interact with this moist atmosphere we've been dealing with for a while now. Also going to be seeing a heat index around 105 degrees today. Not quite as bad as we have been seeing, but still enough to warrant a heat advisory for the Wallops region. Let's take a quick look at our satellite imagery. Still seeing just some partly cloudy skies across Wallops and the southern Delmarva this morning. We have a little bit of mid-level cloudiness starting to increase across the rest of the Delmarva, and that's going to push through the Wallops region as well. Then behind there, we'll start to see some more showers developing across the Piedmont and northern Virginia as we go into later this afternoon. Still going to be seeing enough cloud-free skies to still be seeing our temperatures push into the mid-90s today. And then we're going to be seeing, like I said, those showers and storms later tonight as we get this front and mixing in with this unstable atmosphere. Taking a look at our sounding for today, still looking at southwesterly flow across much of the column. Seeing those winds fairly light at the surface, increasing to 20 knots at the 3,000 foot level, and then remaining 20 to 25 knots across the remainder of the column up through 25,000 feet. Freezing level this morning is just below 15,000 feet. So let's take a look at our forecast for today. Going to look out for a high of 93 this afternoon. We're going to see those west-southwesterly winds increase late this morning, 8 to 13 knots and gusty, becoming more southwesterly this afternoon, still around 8 to 13 knots and gusty. We'll see those winds tick up a little bit as we get towards sunset as those showers and storm chances increase. After 8 p.m., that does look like our best chance to see some showers and storms. Around a 30% chance right now is what we have forecasted. Going to be seeing 10 to 15 knots with gusts near wind advisory criteria. It depends on exactly where we get a shower or storm to see how we get those breezier winds associated with those storms. So could be seeing a wind gust a little bit higher as we go towards the late afternoon and evening tonight. It does look like thunderstorm chances will wane after about 4 a.m. and then maybe seeing still a chance of a sprinkle before sunrise, and then seeing some partly sunny skies around 8 a.m. tomorrow, expecting a low tomorrow morning of 75 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently just seeing a few clouds around 11,000 feet, scattered at 15,000, broken at 25,000. We'll see some cumulus clouds start to develop this afternoon with that continued mid-level cloudiness continuing to increase across the region. Starting to see a little bit of thunderstorm chances after 4, only around 20%, with the better chances of 30% after 8 p.m. When we get into those thunderstorm chances this evening and overnight, we could see our ceilings drop around 1,500 feet, down to possibly as low as 500 feet, especially after midnight when we start to see that atmosphere really get nice and moist at the low levels. By mid-morning tomorrow, just seeing a broken cloud deck around 1,000 feet, broken at 2,500, as well as some broken mid-level cloud decks and that broken cirrus deck that we have been seeing. Still seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at some weather models. to show you what we could be seeing today. This is our short-term weather model that we typically use. We have several short-term models that we tend to look at, and they really have been all over the place, not agreeing with each other at all today. But just to go through this afternoon to show you what we could be seeing, really not seeing a chance of anything occurring before 4 p.m., but can't rule out a slight chance of an isolated pop-up storm this afternoon across the coast. And then we'll start to see some more abundant showers and storms develop around the sunset period, and then seeing those storms then push towards our area as we get into the evening hours, likely seeing higher chances after 10 p.m. and through about 2 a.m., and then seeing still just a chance of a lingering shower through about 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Taking a look at a little bit of a longer range period, we are going to be seeing a front approach the region for tomorrow, and that's going to start to give us some higher chances of thunderstorms for tomorrow. There's this widespread convection, mostly going to be across the mainland Virginia as we go into today. Not going to be seeing a whole large chance as we go into tonight. This model is really showing a lot of convection across the Delmarva once we get to the middle of the night tonight, but not too many other models are agreeing with this, so we'll have to see how it pans out. But if this is correct, we could be seeing a very slight chance of some heavier rain as we go towards the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. But like I said, not seeing a whole lot of agreement at all in our models today, so it's made it for a very difficult forecast. As we go into tomorrow, that front's really going to hang up across the coast here, and it seems like we have more models agreeing on that. So we could be seeing some higher chances of scattered showers and storms and some brief heavy rain as well once we get towards the late morning hours and into tomorrow afternoon. As we go into tomorrow night, could be still seeing an isolated shower or storm. And then Saturday, that front's going to still be lingering just south of the region. Still going to be seeing a moist air mass and could be still seeing a chance of a pop-up shower or storm in the afternoon, but chances will be decreasing. Sunday is looking like a very slight chance only, maybe around a 15% chance. And we're going to start to see things warm up again after a couple of days coming up of temperatures in the 80s. So early next week, we'll start to see things warm up back into the mid-90s. We're also going to be seeing those moisture values increase once we get to Tuesday. Monday is going to be warm, but it does look like it's going to be a little bit of a break from the humidity. And then Tuesday, we'll see that moisture resurgence across the region. Tuesday and Wednesday next week are a little bit uncertain at this time. Models do indicate this front coming down, but there is some timing differences that we'll be monitoring. This model does have it hanging back through Wednesday, giving us just a very hot and humid day for Tuesday, and then giving us some widespread shower and thunderstorms on Wednesday. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, we're going to be looking at a 30% chance of a thunderstorm late today with humid conditions once again. Tomorrow is going to get a bit of a reprieve from the heat. Temperatures only up into the mid to upper 80s rather, with scattered thunderstorms throughout the day, I think. And then Saturday, we'll start to see those thunderstorm chances decrease. Only seeing a 25% chance on Saturday, with a high of 88. Sunday, only seeing a 15% chance of an isolated pop-up storm. But we are going to see those temperatures a little warmer, 92. 95 is going to be hot, or Monday is going to be hot with a high of 95, but really not seeing too much humidity out there. We'll be somewhat drier than we have been seeing, but that humidity will make a pretty good resurgence on Tuesday ahead of the next front. Only right now call for a 20% chance of a thunderstorm Tuesday in case that front speeds up and gets there by then. But right now, looks like the best chance to see some more widespread thunderstorms next week will be Wednesday when we get another front passing the area, helping to knock those temperatures down a bit, but it will be humid once again. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.